Welcome to Oxford Advantage. Today, we will learn how to use the MyBag app for students. First, download the app from the Play Store or the App Store on your phone. Once downloaded, tap on the Open button. Add your login details. You can also send an email to oxfordadvantage.in@oup.com or call our toll-free number for your login information. Add your details and sign in. Your app will then be synchronized. You will be directed to the Oxford Advantage Terms and Conditions page. Read the terms and conditions carefully and accept. If you're logging in for the first time, you will be required to change your password. Add the details and tap on Update. You will arrive at the dashboard or the home page where your subjects will be listed. Select a subject from the dashboard and you will arrive at the Learning page. Tap on Chapter button on the right side of the screen and select a chapter from the list displayed. The ebook and learning resources of the chapter will then be displayed. Tap on Click to download under My Book to get the chapter's ebook version. Once it is downloaded, it will look something like this on your screens. You can also download the activities related to the chapter. Once downloaded, you can play them. Tests, assignments, and activities assigned to you are displayed under the Activity Center. Download the assessment assigned to you and complete it before the due date ends. Once you've completed the assessment, tap on the Submit option. Your test score will then be displayed. Tap on the menu option on the home page to view notifications, reports, and other settings. Under Notifications, you can see user and system-generated notifications. Under Reports, you can view your learning and assessment reports. As well as your overall performance in different subjects. You can tap on the settings to view other options like Help, Privacy Policy, Legal, Contact Us, and About.